Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm back to share with you some more optimal graphic settings, this time for the game R.E.P.O. Now for most people, R.E.P.O is a pretty low-end game, so it doesn't really require much in the way of horsepower for a graphics card to run it, but it is a game that you probably want to play even if you have an older computer, so that's what we're going to go over here today. So if you pop open settings and go under your graphics, the first thing you're going to want to do is games like this always run better when you play them in full screen. It's just kind of what happens. The next thing you want to do is disable your VSync. That'll just help to maximize your FPS, and then you can set your max FPS limiter to unlimited, and that should help greatly. Now after that, the other thing you might want to do is turn down your shadow quality to something like a medium or a low. That will help with a lot of your FPS issues if you have an older computer. And you can also reduce the range of the lighting that you have for your character to a shorter range, kind of like a render distance. That way it doesn't try to cast light on objects really far away, limiting how much stuff your computer has to render and at what distance. Shadow distance, same thing. It won't render shadows as far away if you set it to medium or to low. That way, you know, if there's a barrel at the end of the hallway, it won't necessarily render a really nice crisp shadow under it, as opposed to the stuff that's right in front of you. Now, motion blur, you can probably leave this on. This might not lag you too much. I'm just not a fan of motion blur. It gives me a headache after a while, so I typically turn that off. Lens distortion can also cause some lagging effects, so you can turn that off as well. And then you might want to turn off bloom, chromatic aberration, grain, glitch effects. All that stuff will potentially lag and slow down your computer a little bit. And then down here, pixelation, you can turn that to small or default. I don't know if this is really something that will change much in your graphic settings, but these ones should help you quite a bit. So anyway, that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been a brief look at how to optimize your settings for R.E.P.O so you can still play the game with your friends on an older toaster of a computer without having to worry about lag. Otherwise, if you have a newer machine, you can set all that stuff to max. Doesn't really matter. It's a pretty low-end game, doesn't have a lot of demand on your system, so things should be fine. So bye everybody, and have a good one.